Hello and welcome to another SuperNEC Basics Help video, where today we're going to be entering math functions into the edit box. So like any other MATLAB program, SuperNEC can auto-calculate a parameter based on a mathematical function you might enter into it. So for this particular example, I'm just going to be adding a basic monopole to our project. If you don't know how to do that, please watch our basics video on adding an assembly. And I'm just going to keep the default settings, except for this one. I'm going to do a simple calculation, multiply 2 minus 1. And then we can just press enter or OK, and you'll see it's auto-calculated. And you can do that with any equation you put in there. So press OK, and you'll see that it's been calculated. And that's it for mathematical functions. Have a great day.